Hi, my name is Brad, and I'll be showing you how to remove the top off of the CFX ZX. This will give you access to the component housing, both your vac motors and the pump, and all of the control wiring that goes back. We're going to start by removing the 4 screws from the priming plate. Okay, now that that's loose, we're going to, in here, you have a hose clamp that holds on the hose. You can either remove this, or you can remove the 9/16 brass fitting and the 3/4 inch male quick connect. I'm gonna go for that route. Okay, now that that's off, that should be out of the way. We're going to remove the 2 screws that hold on the exhaust. You can do this with a Phillips screwdriver or a drill or impact gun. Once you remove the 2 screws, just pull out the standoffs, twist the exhaust, the exhaust tube off, and then you're just going to pull the fitting that holds the exhaust tube on and routes it to the vac motor. Our next step is to remove the 2 control plate screws. There's one on the left and then one on the right. Pretty simple. Out comes the harness. Just 2 clips here, pinch on those, and separate the male harness from the female harness. Okay, and then I'm also going to undo the 2 Phillips head screws that hold on the auto empty fitting. This is what you hook your garden hose up to. And just push that through. Then we're going to separate the top from the waste tank. And usually what I do is just take it and flip it into the waste tank so it kind of holds it still. There are a bunch of screws on the bottom of this thing. What we're looking for there are 4 smaller Phillips head screws, 2 on each side. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. And usually what I do is I flip it back into the recovery tank, and from here you just kind of have to get everything out of the way and it should come right off. Usually when I pull up on this, I pull up on the side that the control plate was on first. Just seems to work a little better. So I pull up on the side that I have the control plate hole. I can see everything and access it better. Here we have our 2 ZX vac motors, our empty pump, And if you need to change any of that out, it's usually just a few screws away. And we have our wiring harness here, which you will just have to clip a zip tie for to change anything out.